Because when someone comes out, the best response is to make them feel that they're come home.
Honestly, yung pagka-come out ko, lagi siyang forced. Noon talaga kasi, pag you're part of the LGBTQIA+ community, talagang parang nadikdik sa'yo na pag tomboy
You're gonna
ka,
go to
pupunta
hell.
ka sa hell.
Ang nanay, may instinct na yan eh. Pero hanggat hindi sinasabi ng anak na I'm gay, I'm queer, hindi nila yun tatanggapin sa sarili nila.
Hi, Talk Sheeters! Yeah!
Yeah.
Woot woot! Welcome to another episode of Talk Sheets with Ice
And
and
Liza!
where we strip down and bear it all under the covers. Yes.
We talk about love, identity, and all the shit that matters.
Holy shit! So, ito, maganda tong topic natin ngayon.
I'm
Kasi
sure favorite ko to.
Favorite ko to.
Kasi unique yung coming out story mo eh.
Mamaya natin pag-usapan yan. But, yun nga, kagaya na sinabi mo, di ba? Coming out, di ba? It's never easy. Lalo na kung yung iniisip mo ay, matatanggap ba ako ng family ko? Yun yung I think, pinakamahirap na part doon.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure it's always a big moment for parents and also for the person na magka-come out
Mm-mm.
when they can finally say, I'm queer, or Mom, I'm gay, or I'm lesbian.
Or I'm trans.
Yun, you're trans.
Oo,
So,
eh.
well, yung pag-come out mo na as trans, so, parang pangalawang, parang ako yung nag-out sa'yo
Thanks, ha?
nung time na yun. So yeah, it's really a milestone, kumbaga.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
No, it's really a big moment. Kaya I think maganda mapag-usapan yan eh. Kasi, di ba, minsan dyan nagkakaroon parati ng issue because iba yung pakiramdam ng mga nag-out at iba rin yung pakiramdam ng mga pinag-outan.
Oo.
Yan. So, I think
That's true.
na magandang mapag-usapan natin yan. Ang tunay na kahulugan ng pagmamahal din ng magulang sa kanilang mga anak. No matter what.
Because when someone comes out, the best response is to make them feel that they're come home, like you love. You know, you have become my home because you're comfortable enough to really be who you are with me.
Siyempre naman. Dapat lang comfortable ako kasi asawa kita eh.
But how was that like? How was that like before when yung hindi ka ba ganun ka-comfortable yung pag-come out
Hindi
mo?
pa ako nagka-come out.
Especially as a public figure.
Honestly, yung pagka-come out ko, lagi siyang forced. So, alam ko na already na, nung una pa nga, akala ko nga, di ba, lesbian ako. So, I knew, meron na akong girlfriend na kunyari, best friend ko. Ay! Tapos, nag-sleep over siya sa bahay, mga ganun mga, ba't kaya itsura mo?
Bakit?
Porque nagsabi lang ako na may girlfriend ako dati nag-sleep over, parang, mo. So, anyway,
Malandi ka na dati pa.
mana lang sa'yo, girl.
Ha?
Mana lang sa'yo.
Hindi bang girls?
Anyway, so eto na nga. So meron akong best friend noon na,
Dami mong best friend.
hindi, ito yung, kaya nga may ganun eh. May best friend
okay,
ako noon
sige.
na nag-sleep over siya sa bahay. So, of course, girlfriend ko siya. Pero hindi ko pa talaga masabi kay mommy tsaka kay daddy noon. So, sa kwarto ko kasi, may dalawang single beds. Okay? So, anyway, nagising ako, well, kami, ni girl, na may may nagbang ng door. Parang sinara ng malakas
Oh my
talaga.
God.
So talaga, alam mo, parang ano pa,
Anong ginagawa niyo nun?
tulog. Pero walang damit. So, na magkatabi pa kami. So,
Under the cover.
yan yung pinakaunang talk sheets. So, kasi talagang, pucha.
Ginawang naman talk ginawa niyo.
Tok, iba lang yung kausap ko. Ibang part of the body.
Hello. How are you down
Ibang
there?
part of the body. So, nung una, sabi ko, shit, sino kaya yung nagsara ng pinto? So, inisip ko baka si Ambe, yung aming help. Kasi, ang routine namin nun, magkasama kami ni Daddy hinahatid parate. Nauuna ako sa school, tapos si Daddy sa office niya.
May visions kayo na, no?
Tapos, normally, kapag ihahatid akong ganyan, tahimik, I mean, nagkukwentuhan kami.
Oo.
Tapos kasama din namin si girl nun. Yung ride na yun, puta, ito yata yung pinakamahabang ride sa tanan ng buhay ko. Alam mo yun, ang tahimik.
Anong sinabi ni Daddy?
Wala, hindi siya nagsasalita. Ang tahimik, ni radyo patay. Lagi kami may. As in talagang parang, from Cubao to Green Hills, traffic pa, talagang, alam mo yun, magtatanong ka, gagawin siya. Ganun talaga. Yung talagang,
Siguro, hello, that was what? 19?
yeah, I came out when I was
90
15. Well, yeah,
Oh,
I was 15.
1996, ganun.
Oo.
Parang mga ganun yan.
Di ba?
1998.
Ganun, 98.
Oo,
Basta
oo.
ano ako noon, second year high school.
Oo. Parang ano pa siya, yung... It exists, but no one talks about it. Di
Oo,
ba?
so eto na nga, so syempre, di ba, sobrang bumabagabag yung mga ganyang pakiramdam sa akin nung nasa klase ako. So eto na nga, pag uwi ko ng bahay, sabi ni Ambe, Isa, pinapatawagan ni mami daddy mo. Patay na tuloy.
Oh my God,
Pucha,
alam
eto
mo na.
So di akit ako. Tapos napaka-cinematic talaga nung moment. Or siguro, ewan ko, for some reason, parang siyang sa utak ko lang na parang napaka-cinematic niya. So ang daddy ko, nakaposisyon siya meron kasi, ito yung window, di ba? Meron parang upuan doon. Tapos nandun siya nakaupo, nakatingin lang siya gano'n. Tapos may blinds kami nun. Tapos ang mami ko, siya yung mas nakikipag-usap sa akin. Sabi sa akin ng mami ko, tapatin mo nga ako. Yan bang si Chururut, kaibigan mo ba talaga yan? O girlfriend mo? Pag si mami, ginanon na ako, hindi na ako
Hindi ka pwede
makakaligoy-ligoy talaga
magsinungaling. Hindi ka pwede magsinungaling kay mami. Oo.
Sabi
And
ko,
then?
girlfriend ko po. Uy ako. Tapos daddy ko talaga, parang feeling ko, parang kita-kita ko talagang tumuloy luha niya talagang
Oh my
ganon.
God.
Sabi ko, sa sinag ng araw na nakaganon sa blinds. Tapos,
Feeling talaga nila pag nag-come out ka, parang wala ka ng future. I mean, of
and
course,
especially
especially
that
at their
time.
age.
Especially at
Oo.
that time also, na talagang parang, the typical
Parang
questions
natunaw na lahat ng mga pangarap nila para sa'yo.
Hindi
Kasi
lang,
iba
yung
yung
mga
they have this,
question din
ano
nila
talaga
sa'yo na
eh,
parang, anong nagawa namin sa'yo na mali, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi ko,
sobrang
wala po.
stigma.
And that time, parang, ano pa ako I'm so sorry, alam mo yun, parang, hindi ko, hiwalayan ko na po siya, magbabago na po. Kasi iba talaga eh, parang noon talaga kasi, pag you're part of the LGBTQIA+ community, talagang parang nadikdik sa'yo na pag tomboy
You're gonna
ka,
go to
pupunta
hell.
ka sa hell.
Oo.
Kasi may pinsan akong lesbiana nung sinabihan ko siya ng bata ko, ala, pupunta ka sa hell. Gago, magkikita kayo ron. Alam mo yun? So, di ba? Hi, kumusta ka dyan? Init here, no? Alam mo yun? So,
Long time no see.
di ba? Nauna lang siya doon ngayon. Sumalangit na wakulot. Ayun, so, pero yun nga, parang nung una talagang, alam mo yun, parang siyang pelikula na, syempre, hindi ko mahiwalayan si girl, di ba? Kasi, kala ko siya nang pakakasalan ko. May mga ganun, di ba? Pag first mo eh. So talaga magtatago kami. Alam mo, bibili ako nun sa Green Hills, yung mga maliliit na, kasi tinanggalan ako ng telepono. May landline ako dati sa kwarto. Tinanggalan ako ng landline. Sabi ko, hindi ko na siya makakausap, ganyan-ganyan. Pucha, punta akong Green Hills, bili ako ng mga maliliit na telepono gano'n para isasaksak ko sa gabi. Tapos
ano
kapag sa umaga, ilalagay ko yung sa ilalim ng mga sa ilalim ng mga damit para hindi mahuli. Pero si Ambe, naku, kakampi ng nanay ko. Ano to? Ganun talaga. Tapos, ano to, tawag doon, kunyari.
So, kukwento yung buong
Sorry, gusto ko, edit nyo na lang. Tapos, anong tawag dito, tapos, gusto ko lang yung mga hulihan kasi, kunyari, magkikita kami, meron akong prayer meeting that time. Sabi ko, tara, punta ka sa Krami, kita tayo doon. So, di chichikahan kaming ganun. Pucha, may van na park sa tapat namin. Sabi ko, parang familiar to van, kakulay ng van namin. Puta, bigla lumabas doon, nanay ko. Paano nangyayari? Nakikita ng nanay ko lahat. Ano ka ba si God? Alam mo yun? Omnipresent. So, yun siya. I mean, it was hard, but nung naghiwalay kami ni girl, bilang nabuntis siya, at hindi ako yung ama, parang nag-usap kami ni mami ko. Sabi ko, hindi mo ba talaga kayang matanggap na ganito ako? Sabi niya, hindi naman sa hindi kita kayang matanggap na ganyan ka. Hindi ko lang gusto yung babaeng yan para sa'yo. Kasi mula nung naging kayo, bumababa yung grades mo sa school, nag-aaway tayo. So after nun, nagkaroon ako ng ibang girls na pinapakilala na sa kanya. Mas nagiging palabiro na siya na parang, "Napaka-gigolo mo talaga." Gumaganon yung mami ko. Ang dami ko raw jowa. So parang, I think through the jokes ko na-feel na parang, hey, alam mo yun? Kasi gano'n 'di ba, once you can start joking about it, for me mas nakikita ko na hindi na mahirap sa kanilang sabihin hanggang
Na
sa,
marami kang jowa.
well, apart from that, yun lang nakuha mo sa lahat ng sinabi ko. Um,
Oo. Enjoy na enjoy kang kwento na ang dami mong naging girlfriend sa tanang buhay mo eh.
Kasama yun sa coming out. Wag kang ang dami mo rin ang plastic mo.
Walang taas ang boses mo.
Kasi ipokrito eh. Parang akala mo dalawa ka lang. Ang dami mo
Oo.
O anyway,
Kaninong coming out story to?
sa akin.
Okay. Sige, tatapusin mo na.
Tapos na.
Ha?
Na yun nga, na parang it was a journey for them as much as it was a journey for me. And siguro, ang pinaka naging bubog ko noon was, akala ko, hindi nyo ako maintindihan, hindi nyo kayang ganyan. Pero, imaginein mo, yung journey nila, nagsimula lang doon sa nahuli ako ng tatay ko. Samantalang ako, mula ilang taon ako, pinagdadaanan ko na siya.
Yeah. And I'm sure, maraming nakaka-relate sa experience mo dahil marami rin silang mga hugot, their own stories
Yeah.
About their coming out. So siguro, yung mga iba pang na hindi pa nakakapag-come out, and kung paano rin nila talaga makukuha yung full acceptance
Yeah.
about their coming out from the people they love,
Oo.
not just their
Totoo.
family.
So, yeah. So, I'm sure marami din sa mga talk sheeters natin, no? So, nakaka-relate nga kagaya ng sinabi mo. Kaya, siguro simulan na natin. Basahin yung mga pinadala nilang sulat.
Yeah, so welcome to the He Said, She Said, where isi-share namin ni Ice ang aming honest, real, and brutally frank perspectives tungkol sa topic natin tonight. So ito yung first question. Dapat ba pine-prepare ng mga anak ang kanilang mga magulang bago sila mag-come out?
Paano ba i-prepare? Masahihin ko muna kayo, paano? I mean, how do you prepare din for something like that? Because,
Give them hints. Parang hindi
like
rin
ako,
siguro-
nagbigay ako ng hint, may katabi akong babae sa kama, nahubad. Di ba hint yun?
Binigla mo hindi hint yun. Grabe, hubad agad.
Asa dapat may damit muna.
Hindi, siguro parang may mga patanong-tanong ka na when mag-isa ka, pag mayroong magandang time, tatimingan mo na parang, if I'm different, mamahalin mo pa rin ba ako? So, hindi niya agad sinabi na magka-come out ako. Pero ang nanay, may instinct na yan eh. Pero hanggat hindi sinasabi ng anak na I'm gay, I'm queer, hindi nila yun tatanggapin sa sarili nila.
Parang relate ka dyan,
Oo. Kasi gano'n naman. Gano'n yung nanay ko nun sa akin eh.
Magka-holdingan siya tayo sa harap ni mama mo nun eh.
Oo. Dahil ang sinabi ko sa mommy ko nun, so ako naman yung story ko naman is, nung sinabi ko sa mommy ko na, nagkikita kami ni Ice. Actually, hindi ko makakalimutan kasi nagda-drive ako. So, parang nagkikita kayo lagi ni Ice. Ni Aiza. Ha? Nagka-catch up lang kami. Yun yung tumatak sa utak niya, nagka-catch up. So, mula January hanggang April, Holy Week, nag-progress na yung relationship namin ni Ice. Nakalimutan ko i-update yung mommy ko na, we're together na. So, umattend kami, family niya, family ko. Nagyayakapan na kami sa swimming pool. Nagka-catch up pa rin kami. Tapos, sa utak niya, ganito ba yung nagka-catch up? Ganito ba yung magkaibigan? Alam niya na iba. Pero dahil hindi ko sinasabi sa kanya na, ay ma, may life update pala ako na kami na pala ni Ice. Hindi niya ma-accept kasi I was already married, may anak na ako. So, lalong ang bigat nun for her. Itong tita ko yung nag-reveal sa kanya, may message siya. Sabi sa kanya na parang, yung anak mo, tomboy.
Ano sabi sa'yo nun? Beauty
queen ka pa naman! Tomboy ka pala! That was year 2013. So, in fairness naman to my mom, talagang shock na shock lang siya sa pagbabago ng choices ko in life. So, sobrang nasaktan ako kasi marami siyang mga nasabi. Eh, mami ko 'pag galit talaga, yun, binigla ako, 'di ba? Catch up, eh, tapos biglang nalaman niya na sa ibang tao pa. So, akala ko ayaw niya yung fact na kami ni Ice. Pero hindi, ang ayaw niya is yung fact na I deprived her of of the right to know.
Mm.
Parang nung nagkaroon na kami ng chance to talk, sabi niya, "Eh, hindi mo naman pala ako kailangan sa buhay mo, eh, kasi hindi ka nagsasabi ng totoo sa akin. Ako maniniwala ako sa sinasabi mo. 'Pag sinabi mo magkaibigan lang kayo kahit na nararamdaman ko iba na, kasi nagtitiwala ako sa'yo." So, kasi ang dami niyang sinabi, "Dapat yung anak mo, dun na lang siya bumalik sa tatay niya." Kasi talagang really, really, ano, parang stuff that really hurt you. And then akala mo parang hindi na talaga siya magiging masaya para sa'yo. But ako, I really believe that our parents, most of them, they will really want what will make you happy. And
Mm.
kaya sila nagagalit kasi yung fear nila na overpower
Mm.
nung intention nila na maging masaya ka. So, andun sila sa hindi ka magiging masaya dahil nandyan ka sa relasyon na yan. So, tayo, ang goal natin is to bring down, to break that fear, to ibaba natin yung fears na yun sa kanila at i-assure natin sila na, "Ma, ito yung nakakapagpasaya sa akin." And when they see your joy, when they see na masaya ka,
At nakikita nila inaalagaan ka.
yes,
Oo.
yes. Kasi yun, parang after namin mag-usap na nag-sorry ako sa kanya dahil hindi ko talaga nasabi sa kanya lahat na, "Uy, by the way, kami po pala ni Ice, hindi po pala kami best friends, kami po talaga."
Ay, kayo best
Ayun.
friends.
So, she started her journey of acceptance. Kasi hindi rin gano'n kadali, hello, magkakasal kami ni Ice, parang, kailangan pa ba yan? As in, mahabang journey talaga sa nanay ko. Pero ngayon, mas love niya pa si Ice kesa sa akin.
Kasi cute ako and lovable and charming.
Well, that's true. Okay, next question. Kapag nag-out ang anak, dapat ba instant na tanggap agad ng magulang o normal lang na kailangan din nilang mag-process? Ayun na nga.
So ako, siyempre, nung una akala ko dapat instant. Akala ko, when I came out, parang dapat tanggapin nyo kasi bla bla bla. Pero now that I'm an adult, now that I have a daughter as well, at bilang isang magulang na rin, tao rin pala ang mga magulang na may mga pakiramdam, 'di ba? Tao rin ang mga magulang na meron tayong mga naging pangarap eh. So imaginein mo, 'di ba? I'm sure pinangarap ng nanay ko na mag-walk down the aisle ako na naka-white, na may
Naka-dreads.
belo, na magbuntis ako.
Mm-mm.
Pangarap niya yun for me. Tapos biglang boom. Hindi, sorry, hindi mangyayari yung mga pangarap mo. Ito ako. Tapos I expect her agad to say, okay, good, chill. Okay tayo, G. That would be unfair of me then.
Yeah.
Na parang I had time to process the changes that's happening within me.
Yes.
And if I expect them to understand it just like that, just because I told them that this is who I am, parang I think they should be given time as well.
Yes, yes,
To,
yes.
not just, hindi dahil selfish sila, hindi dahil hindi nila pangarap to, pero para lang, magkaroon lang din ng acceptance. Kasi ang hirap din kapag pinilit mo ang mga bagay-bagay, na hindi, tanggapin mo, and sila rin pipilitin nila just for the sake of you being happy. Baka sila rin mismo, hindi sila magka-come into terms with what they're feeling.
Yes.
Mahirap
And
yun.
we have to realize that if it took a lifetime for you, di ba? Or kung anumang stage ng buhay mo na, I'm ready, you have to realize that it's just starting for them.
Yeah.
So, the journey starts when
When
you
you
come
come
out to them. The journey of the parent starts. Pinaprocess niya yung, okay, anong ibig sabihin nito? Bilang isang pamilya, bilang anak ko, na ang dami kong pangarap para sa mga anak ko. Ano rin yung mga fears? Kasi, exactly what you have gone through na, paano ba yan? I am living in a country where hindi accepted yung pagkatao ko, yung identity ko, yung sexual orientation ko. Pero ito ko eh. Kailangan kong mahalin kung sino ako eh. Kailangan pagdaanan din yun ng parents natin na, oh my God, my daughter or my son lives in a country na hindi tanggap ang pagkatao niya. Paano yun? Paano siya mabubuhay? Paano siya magiging masaya? Pero hindi eh. Yan ang anak ko eh. Kailangan ko siyang tanggapin. So, kayo ang haba ng pinagdaanan natin. Sila rin. Mahaba rin yun. But, ako, I really believe that ang mga magulang na talagang tunay na magulang, ang mas gugustuhin nila ay kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa anak nila. Next question.
Valid ba na makaramdam ng galit or lungkot ang magulang kapag nalaman nilang queer ang anak nila? It's
Yes.
valid. I mean,
Valid. Kahit anong emotions, actually.
feelings are valid.
Yes.
Siguro, that's why you need time to process.
Mm-mm.
Kasi 'di ba, marami talagang questions and even as simple as the terms, 'di ba? It can be very complicated, especially for the older generation, 'di ba, of
Yeah.
parents. So talagang valid that you feel confused, valid that you feel not just sad but angry,
Oo.
'di ba? Kumbaga, kaya importante na mabigyan yung mga magulang ng time to, okay, simmer and understand what's happening. What is not valid for me is the behavior na because they're feeling sad or they're feeling angry, they will resort to doing things
Yes, ako
to
yon. Yung
hurt the person,
if
to
they
hurt your,
become violent,
yun
if
ang
they
hindi
hurt
valid.
the person just because they're saying they're angry,
It doesn't
hindi-
justify.
yeah, there's no excuse to that. Kasi, ano na yun eh, kumbaga, you're acting on the rage. Hindi yung feelings mo na may naramdaman kang takot. Hindi. Parang gusto mo nang i-punish yung anak mo kasi ganun yung pinili niyang, ganun yung identity niya. And yung lack of understanding mo or yung lack of empathy at that moment resorted to something physical and violent and decisions na pwedeng makasira din sa anak mo. Yun din naman ang kailangang sabihin sa lahat ng mga magulang. 'Di ba? Parang we have a room and we should hold space for emotions, extreme emotions, but never, there's no excuse to resort to anything that would physically hurt or
Mentally,
also mentally hurt
emotionally, yeah.
our kids.
This is a very sensitive question, no? Kasi of course, nasa isang religious country tayo. And I've encountered a lot of people na they don't feel accepted by their family because of religious beliefs, 'di ba? So, paano yan? Paano kunyari yung religious beliefs ay hindi matanggap yung anak nila ng mga magulang because of certain beliefs? Alam mo, ako, I mean, I have friends. I have friends na very religious yung family nila. May iba akong kaibigan na kahit religious yung family nila na naig yung pagmamahal at pagtanggap doon sa anak. Kasi parang nakikita nila na, ewan ko kasi for me, di ba, okay, since we're talking about religion, parang, di ba, sinasabi nga natin na God is love. Or sinabi ni Jesus na, love your neighbor as much as you love yourself. So, honestly, for me, that trumps everything else. Si Jesus na nagsabi niyan eh. And the other verses...
Pero ganun din sila. Yan din yung gagamitin nila to weaponize. Si Jesus nagsabi sa Bible na homosexuality is a sin.
Saan sinabi ni Jesus yun?
Well, people have different interpretation of the Bible,
Hindi.
especially the Old Testament.
Hindi, but that's the thing. That's
Lahat na yata ng klase ng
Sandali
Bible
nga.
verses binato na sa amin ni
Sinasabi
Ice.
ko nga,
Dati.
that's Old Testament. New Testament, yung iba kasi, wala kang makikita sinabi ni Jesus.
Yeah, but that argument will also have an argument from the other
there will always
side,
be
diba?
arguments. But I think at the end of it all, parang, sorry, but I can't really say anything about this because, yun nga there will always be different acceptance, levels of acceptance May iba na kahit very religious yung family na naig yung pagiging magulang at pagiging mapagmahal nila. May iba na mas nananaig pa rin ang paniniwala. So,
I mean, that's the reason why there are still a lot of people who are in the closet. I remember when we got married, when we gave out invitations na maging ninang sila or maging ninong sila ng kasal namin. Yung mga taong talagang mula bata kami hanggang lumaki kami, para na rin namin silang mga magulang, yung ganun yung relationship, but they declined. They declined to be part of our marriage.
but there's
Because
also...
they have these religious beliefs that they were upholding.
But we never took it against them.
Yes.
Kasi parang, yun nga di ba? Yun ang paniniwala mo, pero respetuhin namin yun, natatanggapin namin yung paniniwalang yun. Pero, doon din nang nakakatuwa na merong din kaibigan, si Liza, na she was brought up in a very religious
Sobrang
family.
Catholic siya.
But she was there.
Yes.
Kasi, tinanong ni Lisa, sabi niya, why are you still here? Ganyan. Because you're my friend. And yun nga, di ba? Ako, sorry, kasi para sa akin talaga, God is love. And, di ba, God is when there's love, there's acceptance.
Ako siguro, ang mas, ang mas sagot ko doon sa mga parents na meron pa ring religious beliefs at yun ang mananaig sa kanila. I think it's just about respect. Respect ng beliefs. Kasi hindi rin naman natin pwedeng ipilit yung kung sino tayo, kung yung fundamental na paniniwala ng mga magulang natin ay iba. So, siguro, what we can ask for our parents, if hindi acceptance, is for them to respect. Respect na ito ako, respect that this is my choice, respect that I will choose to live my life in the way I know how, and I hope na kahit na ito yung pipiliin ko, maintindihan ninyo. So, respect and understanding, if we can't get tolerance and acceptance from our parents. And yun din siguro yung hihingin ng mga magulang na yun. Kasi ako rin naman, di ba, kung tayo humihingi tayo ng ganung respect, yung mga ganung sobrang religious, hinihingi rin nila yun eh. So, sasabihin ng magulang is, wag mong tanggalin sa akin na ito yung paniniwala ko. Pero mahal kita. Hindi ko alam kung matatanggap ko talaga na yung pagkatao mo, pero nire-respeto ko yung magiging. Total, alam nila that in the long run, they will grow up and they will make their own choices. So for me, pag hindi talaga kaya, wag nating ipilit. Basta ang hingin lang natin is, yun, that respect remains.
Yeah.
Posible bang mag-exist ang pagmamahal ng magulang kahit hindi niya accepted yung anak niya? Yes. Ako, di ba, ito na lang sa politics. Grabe yung nangyayaring toxicity in social media, in everywhere, whenever dadating ang eleksyon, whenever we have this, because we all have our own political beliefs. Meron tayong mga kanya-kanyang leanings. And it was shaped by our own experiences. Like, I remember, of course, before I was part of the administration, a lot of people hated me just because I was a Duterte appointee. Parang ganon. But, marami rin na, kahit na hindi ka accepted, andun yung respeto.
At pagmamahal.
At pagmamahal. Kundi, alam kong mahal pa rin nila ako. Like, minsan may lalapit sa akin na, Liza, mahal kita. Kahit na hindi tayo pareho ng paniniwala. So, I think that can really exist.
And I think that's what love is. Because, di ba, hindi naman parating dapat pareho tayo eh.
Yes.
Pero, kahit hindi tayo pareho ng paniniwala, andun pa rin papasok pa rin yung pagmamahal. Kasi, we are more than just our identity. We are more than just our politics. We are more than just our religious beliefs. Di ba?
There's so many facets about us that shaped who we are. And yung pagmahal natin ng isang tao, hindi lang naman dati, pag hindi ka ganyan, hindi ko na mahal yung totality mo. Diba? So, ay nako, hindi ko gusto yung ugali mo na yan pero mahal pa rin kita. So, yes, that's possible.
I think marami na tayong nasabi doon. Kasi pag marami pa tayong sinabihin
wala na tayong
di
guest.
sana hindi na tayo nag-guest, diba? Tayo na lang nagdaldalan dito. So, hindi, sobrang excited ako sa magiging guests natin for Talk Sheets tonight. Kasi, itong dalawang to ay pareho kong mahal at nire-respeto. At napakaganda rin ng kwento nila.
Yes.
And, of course, the struggles about coming out. Iba pa rin talaga kapag naririnig mo sa dalawang sides. Sa side ng magulang at sa side ng anak.
Exactly. Kaya naman, we're so lucky to be joined by two amazing individuals who will give us a deeper and more personal perspective on their journey.
So, welcome to Talk Sheets with Ice and
Yes! Thank you for having us.
Tita Jackie Lou and of course, Ricky.
Thank
you so much.
Pero bago ang seryosong kwentuhan, maglalaro muna tayo.
May pa-game.
So, meron kaming game.
Yes.
It's called Sheet Happens.
Sheet happens.
Ayan.
Sheet happens. Oh.
Shit happens.
Okay, anong mechanics?
So, ito yung mechanics natin ngayon. Since lahat tayo ay may experience sa acting, di ba?
Okay.
Sanay tayo magbigay ng mga buhay sa mga eksena at character.
Okay.
Pero this time, ibang klaseng challenge naman yung gagawin natin. Kasi, ang gagawin natin,
Ay, sketch and guess.
Okay.
So, dito sa sketch and guess, hindi tayo arte. Tayo ay magdo-drawing.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Okay.
So good
At
at drawing
syempre,
ka naman.
Team Ice and Liza. Tapos,
Okay.
Team Jackie and Ricky.
Let's go. Ricky and Jackie, balik ang love team. Loka. Ibalik
Okay.
natin. Ako pa dito sa anak ko.
So, okay. So, isa yung magdo-drawing sa whiteboard, isa yung manghuhula.
Ah, okay.
Okay,
Are you a
okay.
good drawer?
So,
Not
parang
really.
dictionary.
Parang dictionary. So,
Bad at drawing.
ang tema natin ay Filipino classic movies.
Oh my God. Na binibidahan ni Ricky Davao.
Yun lang. alam ni Mama yan.
Interesado. Okay, name me 5 films.
Okay.
Okay, so meron tayong 60 seconds. 60 seconds lang Tapos marinig natin ang ating bell. Bell? Ay, parang boxing.
Size 6, ibaba na.
Oy!
Hoy, ang edad, magkahanap na.
Oh my gosh, naalala ko yung bababa sa isang
Di ba
shoot sa
ibababa?
Oo.
Size 6, size 6. Eto na po ba? Hindi ko na nabutan.
Parisian. SM Parisian.
Yes. Okay.
So ito, medyo stricto lang po tayo dito Bawal ang letters, bawal ang numbers or salita. Drawing lang talaga.
Mga pipit.
Alright? So after 3 rounds, the team with the most points lose. Para lang may iba.
Very good. Let's change the mechanics of the game.
The ugliest drawing.
Yes.
Okay.
So, pinakamaraming points, yun naman nanalo. At lalagyan ng balbas at bigote gamit ang shaving cream
Ayun!
naman.
Why?
Ang matatalo habang nakapost
Per
sa
picture.
per
Okay.
picture. Okay?
Okay.
Ikaw yung magsha-shaving cream. Palagay ko rin. Nakikita ko na.
Game na.
Okay, so kayo muna since kayo ang aming guest.
Okay, okay.
Since walang
Ma'am, I'm
salamin
so
si Mama.
sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Hanggang stick figure lang to.
Okay, lalo na ako.
Put, okay.
Filipino films ito, with Filipino title. I mean, walang hindi siya.
Tapos tayo yung bandera ng apelido nyo, ha?
Sobrang malala, sobrang malala to. Sobrang malala.
The family of artists.
Mahirapan ako.
So ready?
Ako ang mahihirap.
Timer starts now.
Pero hindi ko muna papakita.
Papakita na, di ba?
Papakita ko na?
Oo,
Huwag
para
muna.
wala, ano.
Okay.
Hindi muna.
Hindi ba?
Naman, hindi ako pwedeng gumawa.
Pwede
Pwede
na
na.
ipakita, pwede pala
Pwede
ipakita.
Ma'am, just try. Just try.
Pera o bayong? Ano ba? Pera.
Bawal magsalita, di ba? Pwede ba mag-Tagalog, English, ganun?
Pera o bayong?
Hindi. Pwede ba mag-ilang words? Hindi.
And
Pwede ba yun? Hindi. Grabe naman,
Bit
ang
naman
hirap.
dito.
Wala mo nanalo dito.
lahat tayo may balbas at bigos.
Ito. Mother, kaya mo yan.
Ang piso? Pa? Hindi ako dollar sign?
Yan lang.
Marami tayong
Yan
pera.
yung kaya kong i-drawing talaga.
Marami tayo.
Iniisip ko talaga
nakahula.
pera o bayong eh.
Ay!
Yun. Ano
Kayo, alam nyo? Alam nyo?
Ano ba?
Tanging yaman. Yaman! Sabi ko, ano yung tanging? Yaman!
Sa bagay yaman.
Oo,
ano ba yan?
Ako iniisip ko wawawin.
Films!
Kaya nga
Okay.
Anyway,
So, mainstream films. Sana naman mainstream films to, ha? Okay. Ano, madali.
Hindi natin alam kung hirap siya.
Oo.
Hindi wala masyado reaction eh.
teka lang, sandali.
Okay, go. So, pwede yun? Ganyan?
Wala
Okay, sige. Pwede yan? Okay. Hand, kamay, kuko. Maynila sa kuko na liwa.
Ano ba yun?
Ano ba yan? Wala bang chairman dito na make a recount?
Pag hindi ko ito nasagot, parang baka biglang kunin
Bakit
sa
may
akin
check?
yung ano.
Bakit may check?
The third word.
Third word. Hindi ka nagkalaro ng Pictionary, no?
Isa ka sa
So, pwede
bird.
yun.
Kala ko
So, pwede
ibon.
yun.
I'll try with all my
Go ito,
might.
Jack.
Ay, ako naman.
Tapos dito mo ano.
Uy, Diyos ko naman ito.
Okay lang yan. Ma, we go down fighting. We go down fighting.
Okay. Hindi pwede letters, no?
Bawal
wala.
letters yun naman.
Kung ilang words?
You can do-
Tapos English or
E or
Tagalog?
E.
English or Tagalog?
Spanish!
Natanga. Pwede Spanish.
Pwede, pwede.
Okay, okay.
Ipakita mo dyan.
Okay. Sorry.
Kaya ba? Kaya?
Kaya. Medyo mahirap to.
English, Tagalog. Sige. Sige, go.
Okay.
Okay na. Ilang words?
Ready?
Okay.
Timer
Okay.
starts
Now.
now.
English.
Ganyan.
Okay, English.
Okay.
At may...
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Cloud.
bird? Di ba na
Cloud. Ako. E-cloud. E-bird. E-bird!
No.
E-bird. T-bird. T-bird! T-bird ako.
Well.
Well.
I know! T-bird ako at ikaw. I don't know. More pa ma! More! T-bird. T-bird. Kanina ka ba, Tim? T-bird. I don't know. Is it an old movie ba? T-bird. Ikaw at ako. Ikaw. T-bird, ikaw.
Hindi kasi nasama ng tatay mo manood ng sine, no?
At ako.
Ay, hindi ko talaga alam
Hindi niya alam
yun.
yan
Oh my God, it's a classic Danny Shalcita film with Nora Honor and Vilma Santos.
yes.
Na trivia, ginawa nila yung buong pelikula na hindi sila nagkikita. Only once.
Yes.
Yeah.
Talaga? Yung beses.
Yeah.
old
It's
film
directed
kasi
by Danny
natin.
Shalcita.
In fairness, the bird.
Pero the bird
In fairness,
kaya nga.
very good.
Galing ng bird. Galing nun. Ito yung bird na merong yung ganun din yung...
Alam mo, ito yung bird na ginagawa ng mga kabataan nun kapag nag-drawing ka ng farm na may,
Diba?
na merong
Makikubo.
makikubo, tapos may bundok na gano'n, tapos may tapos ito yung bird.
Okay.
That's on me.
Ha?
That's on me. You did a good job.
Okay. It's okay.
Yeah.
But it's hard if you don't
Okay.
follow movies kasi before.
Ipakita mo na maayos.
Secret.
Dede. Dede malaki chan.
English, Tagalog.
Wait lang.
Ba't kamukha ko yan?
Actually,
Wait lang.
Tawa ng tawa yung ka-teammate ko! Ano yan?
Egan pa yun.
Nalimutan ko yung title. Murakami.
Galing!
Ano to?
Ito ba yung namatay na tao? Ano ba ito?
Tao ba yan o isda?
Nag-dive.
In fairness, wala ako naman.
Nag-dive.
Galing mo.
Oh, okay.
Iba yung chemistry.
Nawala ako naman.
Galing.
Mga 2 points na sila.
Alam
Ano na?
Paminyon na, no? Paminyon na siya.
Pero dahil kami ang nanalo, may prize kayo.
Ay, ganon! Wala
Ayan.
ko kami ganyan.
Oh my God! It's my face!
May, it's so cute!
Oh my God! It's my face!
Me,
Oh,
that's so
cute.
cute.
Here you go.
Okay, I accept that defeat. I accept the
Diba?
defeat.
Hindi lahat ng katalunan ay talagang talo ka.
Oo.
Oh my gosh.
Kami yung mga magulang na may misplaced sense of
Cute naman ito.
I love it so much. Thank you so
Ayan.
much.
Yan na yung kumot natin.
Diyan po nagtatapos. Sorry.
Tapos na po, wala na po. This is so cute.
Yan.
I'm gonna give this to my girlfriend.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna give it.
Can't get rid of
Oh,
me.
pero meron sila ganito.
Sabi,
Okay, ready? Ano?
Kami.
accept the, kayo na magbigay sa bawat
Accept the
isa.
defeat. Accept the defeat.
Saan ba dito?
Wala, kahit dito na lang, balbas na lang. Para
Ano ka dyan?
Ayan na talaga. Ayan, oh.
sa baba po, hindi po sa jacket.
Oh, ikaw. Okay, kukunin mo na lang.
Yes.
Tapos magpa-picture tayo.
Ayan, picture.
Okay.
Tapos pahingi na rin po ng
Razor.
pahingi po ng razor. Chabi.
Oh, kami na rin dahil kami
Sige,
school.
okay. Konti lang.
Alright.
It's there.
Look here, guys. In
Did you have
fairness.
fun?
Yeah.
Refreshing.
Yes.
Refreshing.
Yeah.
Ay, sarap paglaro ng game na panalo. Ay, talo.
Thank you so much. I love this.
Sana talo na lang ako.
Sarap pala matalo.
Wala kang ganito.
Di ba may blanket naman tayo?
Yes.
So, ito na tayo. Ito na yung feeling ko, isa pang exciting na mapapag-usapan natin ngayon. Pumunta na tayo sa pinakamasayang foreplay.
Yeah. We're gonna get to the heart of the conversation.
Okay.
Okay.
So, ano yung foreplay?
Ito naman, isip ka agad na ka doon.
Ay, grabe. Kitang-kita ko na
Oo,
kung ano
ito-
ka magulang.
Ano ba yun?
Okay.
Sige.
Yeah.
So-
So, yung topic natin is coming out, coming home. And we want to know your thoughts and experiences about coming out and acceptance. So, let's start with, of course, the Jack.
Me, oo.
What was it like? How did you find out that
Well,
she's queer?
I
How do you
had-
identify ba?
Oo nga. Lesbian.
Lesbian.
Nag-isip pa ako, lesbian.
I had a feeling already.
At what age?
High school. Kasi she went to an all-girls school. Ako talaga'y taga-hatid, taga-sundo. So pag sinusundo ko siya, merong guard doon na, sabi ko, nandyan na ba si Ricky May? Naku, ma'am, nandun pa eh. Okay. 2 hours later, nag-aantay pa.
Very patient.
Tagal, ano bang ginagawa doon, Manong? Kanina pa nag-aantay yung youngest ko with me. Naku, kausap ko yung classmate niya
friend.
doon.
Ikaw ka talaga, pareho kayo.
So may feeling na ako na parang antagal. I'm just saying parang siguro we could have waited 30 minutes pero to be with somebody for 2 hours, parang it was kind of strange.
Yeah.
So sabi ko,
Thank you.
siguro.
Thank you, ma'am.
In fairness, ang tagal nyo rin naghintay. Hindi mo lang kayo nag-mall.
Nag-mall naman, pero
Kaya akala ko nandun lang kayo.
Saan ka ba nun?
parang alas 8 na, nandun pa rin kami.
Oh,
So, hindi
my
naman.
God.
Alas, di
Hindi,
naman.
minsan at 8 umuwi tayo gabi na.
So, nasan ka na? Anong ginagawa nyo nun?
Ano lang, patent. No need for soiree.
No need for swearing.
Like getting to know you.
Yeah.
Ganun.
So yun may feeling na ako, pero still I didn't okay. If it is what it is, then siguro she'll tell me or ano. Pero okay, parang ganun lang. Hindi ko na siya, I didn't think too much about it. But I had a feeling. I think as parents, we will have that feeling talaga. At least for me, ha.
Pero tama ba, like my own experience, like our parents kasi, or my mom actually, kung ano yung sabihin ko sa kanya, kahit iba na yung nakikita niya, ang paniniwalaan niya yung
Yun pa rin.
tao.
Actually.
So ako rin yung magsasabi sa kanya kung ano yung totoo.
Okay.
Kahit na, kasi yun nga, kanina we were just talking about it, like with me, ang last update ko sa kanya, I was catching up with Ice.
Okay.
Kasi nakikita niya, ba't lagi kayo magkasama
Kasama
ni
ni
Ice?
Ice, oo.
Tapos wala na, siguro 3 months after, nag-progress na yung relationship namin ni Ice. Tapos nakikita niya na, magkasama po, nagyayakap kami sa pool.
Oo.
Akala niya pa rin nagka-catch up kami kasi parang
Very
yun na
L-word
niya.
moment.
Nako, alam mo.
You didn't tell me eh. Parang, I will believe you. Kahit na alam ko. Was that like with you or you had to confront her?
No, I waited for her to tell me. I mean,
So how long since that time na 2
kasi high
hours?
school nga eh, when,
High school din ako nag-out third year high school. Tama, third year high
how
school.
long after kaya till you, that I don't remember anymore.
Months siguro.
Mga ganun.
Pero I think even growing up, di ba, may mga nasisilip ka ng...
Pero during that time, hindi.
Yeah.
Hindi siya nasa utak
Noon, di ba,
ko.
nung grade school ako, parang nagka-issue sa school na may crush daw ako sa... Di ba?
Ay, hindi ko na maalala
Tinatawag
yun.
kayong-
May ganun ba?
Yeah, di ba? Yung met with the parents, yung mga...
Okay.
Oo, talaga.
Oh
Hindi ko
my
na matandaan
God.
yan, hindi ko na matandaan.
And it was like a reprimand or parang just
Hindi,
an
parang
information?
siguro the parents gusto na lang pag-usapan na... Di ko na alam kung ano yung pinag-usapan nyo eh, kasi
Yeah.
mga barkada kami. Pero crush ko talaga yung isang girl doon. So tama naman yung parents, alam naman nila
Alam
na,
naman nila na.
nakutubanan nila. Pero high school lang, yung you got the confirmation.
Because you said that you were, Mom, can I talk to you later? Tapos like,
Ayun na yun.
ito na,
Eh,
di
kasi
ba?
it's either that or buntis ako. So,
Ay, parang hindi naman.
pumili ka na lang.
Parang hindi. Na-feeling ko, eto na siguro. Ito na yung time.
Yeah.
Kasi seryoso, can we talk? Ba't may ganun?
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Pero actually, yun yung gusto kong malaman from you. Kasi, like ako, I don't think, hindi ako nahuli na airpod ko. Honestly,
On
hindi ko,
in a compromised
Compromising
position.
situation.
compromising spots.
Yeah.
Hindi ko, I don't think
sasabihin.
I'd have that courage.
To say.
To say.
Kasi I was also in high school eh.
Yeah.
Na sabihin na, can I talk to you? Parang,
Yeah.
ano yung mga pinagdaan, ano yung journey mo to get to that time na,
Nagsabi
okay,
ka.
I think I'm ready to talk to my mom about this.
I think, actually,
medyo same tayo. Ayoko din, I didn't feel the need to tell my mom kasi my friends knew, yung mga close family ko din knew. So parang sabi ko, okay na yun, hindi kailangan. Yung girlfriend ko at that time, yun nga, yung matagal kami, iba yung experience niya. Parang yung mom niya, or yung family niya, very against talaga. To the point na napadala siya sa kumbento. Ganong levels.
Seriously?
Ganong levels.
Shout out nga pala kay...
Shoutout ka pala.
Nice.
Tagpo namin kayo dito!
Char.
De, pero ganun yung experience niya. So, very, parang concerning, di ba? Kasi kumbento levels yun eh.
Oo.
First time ko maka-experience na ganun. So, she was looking for help. Kasi she felt emotionally, siguro gusto niyang humingi ng tulong sa adult. Sabi ko, let's tell my mom.
Affirmation.
Yeah.
So parang
It wasn't
ganun.
really because you wanted, but because
No,
you
it wasn't,
you
but
felt...
because she was putting it out there na, can we tell someone? Can we tell your mom? Parang sabi ko, sige, let's tell my
Yes,
mom.
tell my mama.
Okay.
So that's what prompted me
Okay.
to tell her. So we met up in Robinson's Galleria, Krispy Kreme.
Yeah, Krispy Kreme.
And then kaming dalawa. So syempre, when she saw that, siguro nagkaka-idea ka na.
Okay, I
Pero-
guess ito na to.
It took me it felt like 2 hours, honestly. Maybe it was 45 minutes.
Yeah,
it
but it
felt
was-
so long.
Yeah, but it was long.
Kasi
Because
hindi ko masabi.
ang tagal niyang nakatayo. Tapos sabi ko, Ricky May, do you want me to tell you what I think you'll tell me? Kasi alam ko na eh. Sabi niya, no, ma'am, I have to be the one. So,
Yes,
okay.
okay.
So, wait naman ako.
Okay.
So, 45 minutes later,
Ay,
mga
hindi mo
ganon.
pahintay, in fairness to you,
Consistent. Consistent ako.
Yun yung language of love niya.
Waiting.
Time. Time. Taking time.
Kasi ko, would you like something to eat? Kasi ang tagal eh. Hindi ko. Nagsabi ko, siguro hindi na-address
No,
sila.
and I didn't know that I would feel that way.
Yeah.
Parang sabi ko, ba't ako nahihirapan? Kala ko ba no big deal? Parang why is it so hard?
Why
to
And
share
you're actually
who
even
you
saying
are?
on behalf. Di ba? It
Oo,
wasn't
diba?
really about
So
you.
why do you think it was hard?
Ayun
for
na nga,
you?
so parang na-realize ko din na for me, personally, napaka-importante na masabi ko sa'yo. Kasi hindi naman ako nahihiya, hindi naman ako, for me, there's nothing wrong.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
I
yeah.
was having such a hard time sharing it.
To
Until
verbalize it.
finally, sabi ko na lang, Mom, this is my girlfriend. Hindi ko nga sinabi, Mom, I'm gay. Sabi ko, Mom, this is my girlfriend. Ito yung nakakatawa. Sabi niya, I know. Iyak siya. Umiiyak siya. Tapos yung girlfriend ko katabi ko, umiyak din. Sabi ko,
Sa Krispy Kreme. Yung mga hindi siya full store, ha? Yung mga kiosk-kiosk. Yung mga apat lang pwede maupo.
Nung nakita ko yun, umiyak na rin ako.
Nadaanan kami ng mga tao. Tapos umiyak na rin
Umiyak
siya.
na rin ako. Sumukha kaming 3 tao din umiiyak sa Krispy Kreme.
Oh my God.
Diba? Nahawa na rin ako. Parang iyak na rin ako.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
Tapos sabi niya, I know.
I know.
And then,
How did
yun.
that make you feel?
Sabi ko, I know.
Relieved, pero parang, doon kasi nagsa-start after yung, how does my mom feel about it talaga? Kasi hindi naman namin pinapag-usapan. Diba? So doon napapasok yung, ano kaya yung, di ba, pinagdadaanan niya sa utak niya, what is she thinking. So relieved, pero doon yung nag-start na mas, like ako, I parang feeling ko I came out to myself. Kahit na hindi naman.
Because you heard
Kasi I
yourself.
heard it, sabi ko, oh my gosh, it's
Parang
different when
totoo.
you say it.
Yeah, totoo yan.
Yeah,
And then I
parang
think, was it
iba.
that same night that you also wrote your dad a letter? Or was it
Hindi,
years
different
after?
pa. Different pa.
So, kay Tito Ricky naman,
Kay papa niya, sulat.
Yeah.
Kasi alam niya si papa niya pro-proseso muna.
Ah.
He needs time then.
He needs time.
Ikaw, were you just waiting or what would you have felt if she didn't? You knew she was gonna tell you at some point.
Siguro if it would have taken her so long, I would probably have asked her na. If yun ang feeling ko ha. Kasi parang, I think I would have.
And the waiting was a form of respecting her.
Also, yeah, and I think as a parent kasi syempre you have, this is the box, di ba? Si girl, kailangan si boy yung partner, di ba? Meron kang ganun talaga yon, di
Yes,
ba?
yes, convention.
So, I think to my head, even if I had a feeling, baka naman I was wrong. Or at the time, sana I was wrong. Di ba? Yung,
Yes,
kasi nga
yes,
oo.
yes, yes.
So parang, sige, habang hindi, baka naman hindi.
Oo.
Pero kung if it is what it is, okay pa rin naman. Oo. So parang yun yung sa
That's why you cried, diba? You said.
I think because I didn't have to wonder. I didn't have to ask. And I appreciated the fact that she told me because that's a big thing to be able to say na, eto ako. Hindi yun ang norm. 'Di ba? So parang, alam kong it took a lot out of her.
Yes.
Whether she did it for her girlfriend or no, still to verbalize it is,
Yeah. Was there a fear on your end? Like, after that? Like, pumasok ba dun yung mga apprehensions mo?
inisip
Because
ko na
she's-
how si daddy would accept, how my kids would accept, how my mom would accept.
Yeah.
That was what was going on through my head. Parang, oh, okay. Eto na, like she said, once she said it, you've opened the door So, eto na yung start ng
Judgment.
journey naming lahat.
Yes, totoo.
So, there was a fear, it was just that.
Mm-mm. Pero never ka nagkaroon ng fears na parang paano baka hindi magkaroon ng happy ever after ang anak ko. Kasi like ako, I think ang parents ko ganun yung pinagdaanan nila, yung parang for them kasi syempre older generation sila mama.
Yes.
So parang hindi ka makahanap ng taong magmamahal
Papayos
sa'yo,
sa'yo.
tatagal,
Hindi ka
magkakapamilya, hindi ka
Oo,
may mga ganun bang fears?
That I would hear from other people. But I think my son was saying, so paano, mom, do you think she'll, baka mamaya she'll just get hurt? Sabi ko, hindi naman ibig sabihin because she's gay, she cannot find the right person for her, di ba? So, pero yun yung mga naririnig ko, pero ako hindi. I did not think that.
In fairness to her, naman, parang kahit na may mga apprehensions or what, yung umiiral sa kanya is yung pag-ibig niya sa akin. Kasi 'di ba, my mom's very religious So ako, nung nag-out na ako, I'm confrontational kasi. So, inaano ko talaga, what do you think of gay marriage? What do you think? As in yung mga issues,
Eto na! Nalabas ko na labas ko.
So, inaano ko na
One time,
talaga.
big time.
One time,
So,
big time.
we'd have debates, we'd have like, and I try to explain to her na, like, kung ano yung the other side. Tapos, may ano kami, sharing of, di ba?
Yeah.
Like, different
Different
perspectives.
Different beliefs.
I would say this is, kunyari, I would say this is what's in the Bible. It's written. What sabi ko, I also don't know how God will view it. We have a God that's so loving and so on. And at the end of the day, sabi ko, you're my daughter and I accept you. I love you, di ba? Parang yun. Parang eto
Yes.
to, pero eto to.
Yes.
So, you know, I would hearing up other people say, minsan na parang, siguro yan si Jackie, hindi talaga niya tanggap si Ricky May because of my faith.
Yes.
Pero hindi.
Oo.
Hindi. And I always say, if hindi ko matanggap yung anak ko, paano siya tatanggapin?
Yun.
Kung
Yes,
ako mismo,
sobrang important.
hindi ko siya matanggap. So, kailangan klaro yun. And that's, yun, non-negotiable yung.
I will never, ang ganda ng sinabi mo kasi that's exactly what we said to Amara. Because she was 4, 5 when she got exposed to this parang so what society is saying about a relationship. So, ang dami nagsasabi sa akin na, i-shield mo yung
Anak
daughter
mo.
mo from your relationship kasi bata pa siya masyado.
Huwag
Hindi
mo
pa
nang
niya-
sabihin siguro, i-delay mo,
Oo,
parang ganun.
pero kami, ako, especially ako, I really believe na parang kung hindi niya maiintindihan yung family namin, how can she stand up for it? Paano niya ma-accept? So, really had to talk to her na talagang, Ate Aiza and Mommy, we're not best friends.
Okay.
We're not best friends. We're like together. We love each other like how Mommy and Daddy love each other.
Okay.
Iyak siya.
Pero iyak siya nun kasi parang that's...
Iyak siya because hindi niya maintindihan?
Hindi, iyak siya
or-
kasi
Kasi alam-
ang akala niya magbabalikan pa yung mommy and daddy niya.
Which is what normally
Yes.
most
So,
kids did.
So, dahil hindi niya sinusupport yung relationship namin. And then when we had this moment together, parang sabi ko sa kanya, how do you feel about
About it.
this relationship? And she said, I see you're happy. Yun.
Oh,
So,
That's nice.
at that age.
yes.
Wow.
And because of that, there was a time that it came out na, ito na, public na kami. So, nasa school siya, sinabihan siya na, you have 2 mommies. Sabi niya, if I'm okay with it, then you should be okay with it.
Ang galing.
She was like 5 years old at the time.
Ang galing
Tapos, nagkaroon siya ng awakening. Oh my God, lahat ng mga binibili niyan, t-shirt, lahat puro LGBT.
Oo.
Mommy,
Kaya tanong pa
mas
siya sa
ano pa
akin,
siya, Rara?
sabi sa kanya, so LGBT, is that a club?
Actually, well, not in school.
A very inclusive club.
Yeah.
So, So yeah, I think it's really if you say things in a loving way, in a way
Yeah.
that they would
And I
understand.
think in a way that you think they'll understand.
Yes.
Parang, okay, at that age, eto
Totoo
to.
yun, Ate Jackie. Kasi di ba, putya mapapabilib nga natin yung mga bata sa Santa Claus eh.
Exactly.
Something that's not real.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
why can't, and the love that two people share,
Uh-huh.
whether it be male, female,
Yeah.
or whatever,
Ano naman, no?
it's real. Tayo mahirapan mong explain.
Yeah.
So, alam mo yun, parang like yun, tinanong niya sa akin, nun, parang, kung magkakaroon daw ba kami ng baby.
Baby, oo.
Sabi niya, ay hindi, sabi niya, pag vacation kayo, gusto ko magkaroon ng kapatid.
Sabi!
Oo.
Sabi ko,
So, she had-
so
she
I
had
had to explain na it's not that easy for us.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, at 6, I was telling her about sex.
Na hindi birds and the bees, ha?
Hindi birds on the beach. I was telling her, so, you know, mommy has a vagina. And,
Talaga?
Yeah.
and she
yeah.
understood. Kasi ako yun talaga, parang,
Why do you look like a man?
Oo,
As in,
ganun yung mga
out of
tanong
the
sa
blue,
akin.
she-
May ganun siya.
Oo, she would ask those questions. Oh, get pregnant na, because I want to have a dream niya yun.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa hindi na nangyari ngayon.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it was her dream to have a
Oo,
sister.
the sister.
Yeah.
Oo. Kasi syempre,
pwede pa naman tuloy. Yung mga itlog ko naman, nalalamig pa rin
Pwede.
sa ano.
Ayun.
Ito ito Jackie, and I'm sure, ito kasi I wanna ask because this was my experience as well.
Yeah.
Parang, di ba, coming out because of telling a public figure ako, it was
Yes.
doubly hard.
Yeah.
So, how about for you? I mean, when of course, si Ricky May, nag-come out na siya and everything, and
Meron
meron
kang
kang-
opening yourself
Oo,
up to judgment.
Yeah, to judgment, not just by family or friends, or but basically,
Yeah.
Every, yeah,
Iba yung
everyone else.
family eh.
Yeah,
Iba
yeah,
yung,
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
kayo alam
Yeah,
nyo. But
Iba yung
publicly,
naka-public talaga.
how was it? Like was there any pressure? Especially, people know also that
Sa pressure siguro, I think at that time, when Ricky May came out, I think after a while, we were doing Destiny Rose, yung ano sa GMA. And I said, I had the feeling na sa press con, sabi ko, they will ask.
Naalala ko yun.
Oo, tapos, in my head, I said, sigurado to tatanungin eh. Diba? Pwede ko
That's what the
sagutin.
show was about.
Yeah,
The
pwede
show
ko
was about
sagutin,
that.
pwedeng hindi. But just like her, in my head I was saying, bakit hindi ko sasagutin?
yes.
Pag hindi ko sinagot, ibig sabihin, hindi ko tanggap yung anak ko. So, nung tinanong ako, I just answered it. And I just
And she
said,
cried.
Yeah, and I cried.
Yeah.
Kasi it
at
was
least
so
hindi sa
fresh.
Krispy Kreme.
Ha? Oh, at least hindi sa
Oo,
Krispy
fresh
Kreme.
pa.
Oh,
Sponsor mo naman kami.
Krispy Kreme, baka naman.
This episode is sponsored
Sponsored
by
Yun, sinagot ko. And then it was also very liberating for me when I answered. Because parang, ay, okay, eto na, di ba?
Parang nag-come out ka na, no? Ay,
Parang
diba?
ganon. Parang, and I think I said the same thing na I accept my daughter, di ba? It's all about love. And kung as a parent, hindi ko siya kayang tanggapin, paano siya tatanggapin ng iba?
Yes.
So, pero nag-aaway sa utak ko yung whether should I say something or shouldn't I say. Pero sa no, I'll say something.
Pero alam mo, ang sarap din ng feeling na ganun. I'm sure for you, yung publicly acknowledged
Yeah.
na natanggap ka.
Oo.
I think she said nga, thank you to me, mom, for
Kasi naalala ko, nag-usap kami ng dad mo noon. Tapos so, parang, I remember him being so proud that, you know, I have a daughter like you.
Oh my God! I will
really
never,
funny. He's
I
really
will
funny.
never,
Ano ba
parang
sabi
feeling
niya?
ko naging badge of honor niya na sa amin na, remember when you attended that,
Sa fort.
Oo,
Yeah.
it was a pride event, di ba? So, siya talaga parang, Liz, kasi in-invite ko siya. I didn't know then. Sabi niya, can I bring my kids? Kasi I have kids who will really enjoy this event.
That's so your dad.
Oh my God, I still have his message.
He loves it eh.
He does.
Ano may feeling niya finally, meron siyang my own
May in
story to
siya.
tell. My own story to tell.
So about your dad? Like,
He loves that. And then, it's funny kasi parang siguro in his mind, magkakakilala tayong lahat. Alam mo, may ganong tao, diba, na parang, so sometimes he'll call me na sa taping siya, sana nandito ka, yung sa wardrobe namin. Parang ikaw. sabi niya, baka kilala mo? Sabi ko, sino? No, dad, di ko kilala.
oh my God! Alam mo, okay, may ganyan akong story. So,
Talaga.
meron akong assistant director yata siya namin. So, para sabi niya, let's say, sabihin natin, Ricky, may yung pangalan ng friend niya. uy, may friend daw kagaya mo si Ricky May. Kilala mo ba siya? Sabi ko, marami kaming mga lesbiana sa mundo. Hindi ko kilala lahat.
Kasi nga,
parang
kasi
small
nga it's a club.
Oo. Pero cute naman kasi I felt na support niya. Sana nandito ka. Or he'll go the extra mile. He'll talk to that person. Tapos proud siya. Uy,
yan
daughter.
naman.
Ano eh. Parang feeling niya may in talaga siya. My daughter, same kayo eh. At least proud siya. diba? Pero parang,
Parang pag nagpunta ka sa ibang bansa, taga Pilipinas ka, kilala mo si
exactly.
Parang ang sarap ng ganun, no? I think for us kids, yung journey din ng mga magulang natin na nakikita natin sa simula, para hesitant sila na to accept. And then makikita mo na through these small gestures, honestly, the small ones for me matter more eh.
Yeah.
Kaysa yung mga, anak ko ay transgender.
Oo,
Hindi,
yeah,
diba?
yeah,
But it's these small ones na, like, may biro na parang, I was telling them before, sabi ko nga, yung nag-out ako as trans. Kasi for me, I thought it would be harder.
Yeah.
Kasi ang hirap i-explain ng trans.
Yeah.
Diba? Unlike lesbians, for me, it's easier.
Yeah.
But in trans, yung parang the whole, parang, okay, I see myself as a man, ganyan-ganyan.
Oo.
But, and my dad kasi, mami ko mas expressive, my dad talaga hindi. But I will never forget, like, I got this, parang, si daddy ko nag-edit siya ng photo na, parang nilagay niya doon, father and son.
Oh, ma'am. Napakalaking bagay.
Sabi ko, wow, alam mo yun, parang, hanggang ngayon, sobrang siyang nakatatak sa akin. I will never forget that.
That's so nice.
So, yun yung mga things na parang, it's a joy.
Yeah.
Na parang kahit sabihin natin na, hindi, okay lang, hindi ako taga-tumama. Hindi
It
totoo.
matters.
Yan.
It's good. Malaking bagay pa rin.
And feeling ko, kaya din, I'm sure you feel this way, iba yung confidence ko.
Yes. I
Right?
always say na parang, yeah, I get bashers, I get, lalo na nung pumasok na ako sa showbiz recently, na mas, syempre, mas ka,
Oo.
pero iba yung, parang ganun siya sa akin.
Oo.
I mean, yung iba, parang naiinis ako, like, man, look at what this person
Diba
says.
saying,
Sobrang, Pero hindi siya tumatatak hindi ako like, yung heart-wrenching or parang
Kasi
sobrang
yung core
sakit.
mo buo.
Oo. Kasi ako, I know my family accepts me, my loved ones, those important to me. Yun ang importante sa akin.
Yes. for sure.
And then, I just want to use my platform to help, parang reach those na baka hindi pa sila masyadong comfortable. Or like, a lot of parents reached out to her.
Yeah.
After you did that Destiny Rose press con. Like, they really told her na,
I have a daughter na gano'n. What do I do?
so, nakatulong pa ng, that na hindi ko ma-reach yung parents. Kasi
Yeah.
hindi man ako parent.
Yeah.
Siya,
Yeah.
as in someone said na, I really can't accept my daughter. But I saw what you said and I'm trying. I mean, just to try.
Yes.
Just to try.
Diba?
Kahit pa paano mabago yung perspective nila.
Dami nag-reach out sa akin.
So, ako, like, syempre, gusto ko yung open up po kanina na parang nagiging discussion nyo with the Jackie. Of course, syempre, di ba, she's very religious and everything. But, how long have you been with your partner?
We just did 10 years.
10 years?
Celebrated 10 years.
Tagal na.
So, how are you guys talking about, like, marriage and, like, nasan ka dun?
Yeah, like now, we live together na. Mag 2 years na. So, we talk about it, but because syempre, like in our country naman, it's different, diba?
Yeah.
So, it's there, but it's not our priority yet. Pero for sure, we're talking about it.
And you're okay with same-sex marriage?
Syempre, nandun ka.
Tama.
Okay, since we're
Sorry,
talking...
before
Yeah.
I want to know your process. Like, kasi, of course, diba, like, kasi I remember, my mom, that time, sobrang accepted na niya na, at that time, lesbian ako.
Yeah.
But when I opened up the
Next
the
level.
next
The next
level,
level.
like, I asked her a hypothetical, this was before Liza.
Yeah.
I asked her this hypothetical question. I just wanted to know, diba?
Yeah,
But
what's your thought?
what if, like, kunyari, dumating yung time na papakasal ako. Ang sagot niya talaga sa akin, hintayin mo munang mamatay ako.
Talaga.
So, parang,
Kasi yung generation.
yeah.
siguro
so I
talaga.
want to know from you, like, kasi, like, ngayon, di ba, parang narinig ko, like, talaga, it's a non-issue. How did you get there?
Yeah. It wasn't always like that. Diba? It was definitely, there's really a process. Like, people always say, like, your mom is so accepting. And I'm like, yes, she is. Like, the core is there. But she definitely had her own...
What was my, ba?
Kasi I did the same thing I did na, Mom, what if ganito?
I think
Wala
during
lang,
that
nag-what
time,
if
parang,
ganito.
I think during that time that you asked, I don't know if I answered right
You did.
away. I did. Did I say no?
Yeah, you said it
I
like,
said no.
it's not what's in the Bible.
I
that
really
time.
said, sorry.
But,
See,
but
that's
it's
what I
okay
said.
because ano naman, parang we were meeting, that's where you were, that's where I was. And then as the years went by, and you started to understand more,
Yeah.
then you opened up
Yeah.
naman.
But I think at one point I told her, sana don't have
Oo.
sex reassignment. I think I said
Oo.
na I'm okay na. Ako lang, di ba? And sabi niya, Mom, I don't want to do that naman.
yes.
So, I mean, like, I think I remember nga what she said before na any reaction daw, whether it's a parent or it's kaibigan or ibang pamilya, it's not always the last reaction.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
sabi niya,
The first
"Ma,
is not the last.
It's
It's
okay.
also a process
if you don't
for
feel
them.
ano pa, or if others don't understand, it's okay. Okay.
Alam mo, ang ganda na. Kasi lagi tayo nagbe-base sa initial reaction.
Yeah.
So, ang ganda nun. I think it's a good thing na ilagay natin sa utak natin. The first reaction is not always the last.
Kasi nga, di ba, kung tayo na dumating tayo dun sa point where we're ready to come out, we're ready to share to the people, to let them in
Yeah.
kung sino tayo, dun pa lang nagsa-start naman yung
Process
process nga
nila,
nila.
yun.
Like my mom, nung Ice was already asking for marriage, ang una niyang inask is my dad. And my dad is
No.
like,
Your mom.
una mong inask dad ko?
No, your
Ay,
mom.
di ba? Okay. So, inasking mom ko, my mom was against it.
Oo. Ba't pa kailangan magpakasal
Ba't pa
kayo?
kailangan magpakasal?
Magkasama na
Okay
nga kayo
na.
sa bahay.
Okay.
Ayaw niya talaga.
Oh,
Up to the very,
after the
parang siguro ilang ano lang
So,
before
ako lang
the
parang, I
marriage.
just had to reassure her na, I would still push through with it.
Yeah.
With or without her approval. But I will prove to you that I will take care of
Care of your
your
daughter.
Yes. And I think, yun lang yung fear. Yun nga when they answer yung mga sagot nila na hindi natin na-expect, it's because there's fear.
Yeah.
And yung fear nila, because of their love for you.
Of course.
So, ang talagang fear niya is parang, okay, ito ba talaga yung gusto ng anak ko?
Oo.
Diba? Kasi Ice is my first and only.
Ano sabihin ko,
So,
ako po
baka
talaga yung
akala
gusto ng
niya
anak
face
niyo.
lang. I was going
talaga.
through a traumatic relationship with my ex-husband. To parang, ano ba to? Is this a trauma response?
Oo.
Di ba?
Kasi pwede rin.
Kasi
Naman.
pwede rin talaga. Pero, no, when nakita niya talaga kung gaano ako kamahal ni Ice at gaano ko kamahal si Ice, and nakikita niya na si Amara din.
He's okay. Siguro malaking factor din nakita
Yeah.
niya yung apo niya na, okay di ba?
I always say, like, people fear what they don't know.
Yes.
Exactly.
Kaya like yung mga advice ko pag tinatanong ako, how did you get comfortable? Sabi ko, dude, sobrang awkward talaga nung una. Even with my dad, even if he said that he accepts me and ano, and I felt it, pero it was uncomfortable to talk about I'm dating someone. It was uncomfortable until I just made it slowly. So inaano ko lang.
Parang
Dad, I'm dating someone pala from Las Piñas.
Okay.
kunyari.
Yung mga hint.
Okay,
Mga
mga ganun.
konti lang. Kasi baka siya din, baka na ano siya.
planting the
Oo,
konting
I'm
so,
just
seeds.
trying to meet him kung nasan siya. And then
Yes.
the next wala na. The next one, Dad, kami na pala.
Oo.
Oh, congrats.
Oo.
Done na.
Ganun
Hindi
na.
ko siya, I'm not like, parang pushing my
Pushing it.
beliefs too
Yeah,
much.
yeah,
Kasi,
yeah.
I'm just trying to meet them where,
And
And
I think it's the same
respect,
because
actually.
we don't want them to push their beliefs din naman
Oo.
sa atin.
Yeah.
So I think
Yeah.
yung tamang timpla lang na ito po, I'm letting you know.
Oo,
Diba?
ganun lang.
hanggang after that, okay na.
And your mamita
Actually,
also.
I wanna know also from you, Jax, siyempre, ako, malaking bagay sa akin yung approval ng
Yeah.
ng magulang
Yeah.
dun sa asawa ko or
course.
certain person
Of course.
that I dated before, ganyan. How's your relationship with
Her partner?
your partner now?
Oh, very, 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 very good. I also knew naman her other partners before, pero sobrang, I love Bloss. I mean, she's, talaga, heart of the family. Yeah, I mean, she's,
Sometimes we go
Para
out,
ko na-
the three of us.
yeah, para ko na siya, minsan kaming dalawa.
And what would you be looking for? Parang sa magiging sa partner niya or dito sa current partner
I think for me, somebody that will value her and appreciate her, somebody who will really take care of her and nurture her and support her, and they both do that for each other. So that's very clear. Even my mom, my mom had her, Mamita really loves Bloss.
Yeah. Kasi kumakanta din si Bloss. So, pag sa house niya before,
Very beautiful voice.
kumakanta
your girl.
sila,
How was it? I mean, of
Oh,
course.
kay Mahiga.
Iba
yan.
Yung mga generation ni Mami.
yung generation,
Oh,
iba
iba
talaga.
yan.
Yeah,
Iba
because
yan.
my mom's generation same.
Although
syempre, like, our family has, since they're exposed to, like, showbiz,
Yeah.
and there are different types of people in showbiz, mas, exposed.
Oo.
Hindi mo naman mamita, mas exposed.
Yes, diba?
Pero syempre kasi apo.
Oo, iba.
Parang meron siyang ano,
May mga hirit
why
siya
did
dati.
why is your hair so short? You look like a boy.
Oo.
Diba? May
So,
mga
minsan
ganon.
parang punch, tapos,
May mga ganon eh.
pull back.
Minsan may mga
pero wala naman siyang like, that's wrong. Hindi ganon. It
But
was more
sometimes
of
you
like,
would feel bad, di ba?
I would feel
kasi,
bad.
Kasi lola mo ay,
or like, she'll say like, why are they talking so closely together before?
It's like she's kissing her ear. Sabi ko, no, ma'am, they're not. She's just whispering.
May tinatanong lang naman ako.
Sabi ko, kita-kita mo yun. Eh, di ba nandun sila?
Kasi
I
ganun
saw,
pala
I
siya.
saw.
Ibig sabihin,
Watching like a
tumitingin.
Ito nanay ko.
Was there ever a time na parang just to please them, you know, you went through what they would expect? Like for example, did you have a boyfriend? Like ito, nagka-boyfriend to.
Hindi.
RR.
5 minutes?
Si RR.
Talaga?
Mga ano lang, mga 1 week. Or not even. Mga
Nandun na yung gana.
3 days. Oo, hindi talaga kaya, bro.
Ito.
Kiss niya yun.
Wow.
Pero barkada namin, sobra ngayon. So, I
Ito
value.
hindi. Dito
Wala talaga. Ever since.
Mga nangliligaw sa akin before.
meron
Tapos
na
sabi ko, Ben, ang baduy, mas okay pa yung mga moves ko kaysa sa Ben?
Ay, naku, ito rin. Really bad moves.
Hindi, ako ang bato yung moves.
Oo, baduy ka nga.
Ito rin cheesy to.
Ako cheesy
Ay,
din.
nako.
Wag na.
Ay!
Sige kasi,
nako.
paano cheesy?
May kadiri
Umano
talaga
ka,
na-
may isa ka, yung
may
may
kadiri.
pagita-gitara ka pa dun sa isa.
Ay, oo.
Yung mga,
Meron.
ay, nako.
Nakakahiya. Wag
Di
sa harapan ng
nakakahiya.
nagmumusik ko.
Cute nga eh.
Wala yun. Very cheesy. Like, may dala akong guitar, haharanahin ko.
Yes!
Nakuha mo ba yan kay Tito Ricky? I mean, how do you talk about
Oo nga,
relationships
yeah.
with him?
With my dad. Very lang. Si Papa kasi more of, are you happy? Yes. Okay, good.
Parang ganun.
Parang hindi siya really sa nitty-gritty. Pero he's always, concerned lang siya always. Yun, yung fear. Always like, just be careful kasi madami talagang So more concerned siya because he knows how the outside world can.
Pero hindi ka nagkakaroon ng mga bonding like, you know, how to make a partner happy.
Alam mo, parang, I think it's very different with dads. I don't know, like,
With dads,
ako,
yeah.
parang, yung mga ganyan,
Hindi mo
Ikaw, even with Amara,
Yeah.
Pero so meron with you.
Meron ba tayo?
Tayo, may ganun
Tapos more
kayong
of, pag
bonding.
mag-aaway kami, he would give me advice. Like, sino ba yung mahal mo? Ito or yung parang this particular like
mas ganun
situation?
ang dads eh. Hindi
More
kagaya yung
advice.
girls na mas,
Iba.
talaga,
Parang ito yung, ma'am, first time akong, was it prom or ano?
Oh yeah, she helped me buy my
Oo.
first suit.
What am I going to wear? Ito maganda yan. Itong necktie na tayo. May mga ganon.
We were in a
Proper
Oo,
yun.
ano ka na?
Ako yun.
Buti ka pa.
Shit,
Ito sa debut. Ito sa debut daw.
okay.
Ito sa debut.
Ito sa
Pero
debut.
still, parang...
Yes.
But I was exploring na parang, I want to try. I'm not comfortable in dresses na talaga.
yeah.
And we were in Robinson's department store.
In fairness,
Ma'am, is it
Robinson,
this tie or this tie?
Krispy Kreme.
okay, this show is brought to you by
Yeah. So mga ganun, like, my first tie and my
your
suit
first
and
tie,
tie. Tapos I was so like, I remember so happy na, diba, I have a picture pa na ganun.
Siguro masaya din ako kung nakasuit and tie ako ng prom ko. Hindi
Alam mo, sobrang
nakadress.
nakakatuwa yung talagang embrace mo, yung pag-accept mo sa relation, sa identity ni Ricky May. If meron tayong mga parents na watching out there, like, what would you advise or what would you share about having a queer child, a lesbian?
I think for me,
Daughter.
of course, any emotion is valid, di ba? Be it anger, be it magugulat ka, be it ayaw mo muna. Pero siguro ang dapat manaig is yung pagmamahal mo sa anak mo. All they need, actually all anybody needs is for you to try to understand and embrace them and love them. So I think more pagka ganito. Kasi syempre they're also siguro at that stage when they're coming out. Ay, hindi ako sure paano ba, di ba? So just try. And I'm not saying kailangan 100% na okay ka, pero kung ano yung kaya mo, then yun ang ibigay mo, di ba? Maybe.
Ako, I have a question. Kasi 'di ba, lagi 'yon, 'di ba? Sige, like kanina, 'di ba, nagbigay ka ng advice sa mga parents, 'di ba? But ano yung ikaw naman, Ricky May, gusto ko sa iyo manggaling yung ano yung advice na mabibigay mo as someone na pinagdaanan din tong journey na to, sa mga magulang na meron silang queer na anak or gay na anak, na ano yung mga sa tingin mo sasabihin ng mga anak nila na hindi masabi ng mga anak nila sa mga magulang?
So, parang ano yung i-advise ko sa parents?
Yes. Ano yung mga things that you feel that their kids are not able to say
Say to them.
to them?
Shucks. Ang hirap eh. Kasi I always say, like, iba-iba yung journey ng mga tao, diba? Like, for some, they don't even want to come out and that's fine. Diba? Siguro something na hindi nila masabi sa parents nila is how important the parents' reaction is. Kumbaga, minsan kasi parang okay lang yan kahit hindi ako tanggap ng pamilya ko kasi yung friends, whatever, my partner, okay lang. Pero as someone who came from that thinking, tapos yun pala, iba pala when you feel that your core, or like the people like who raised you, who iba yung when you know that you have them on your side. Kahit na hindi kayo sobrang tugma. Kumbaga like kami, may mga ano pa rin. Pero yung just to know na you have someone there, whether it be like, anak, medyo naguguluhan pa ako or nahihirapan ako, but I love you. Diba?
That's more
Kailangan
than
mo ng
enough.
validation ng ganun.
Kahit papano.
Diba? I love you and I'm willing to slowly,
Yeah.
diba? Yun siguro yung napaka-importante na, kasi sometimes yung us as kids parang you'll be tough diba? But hindi.
Defensive.
Kung ayaw mo,
Oo,
diwag.
yes.
But it might be a good thing for the parents to remember na it's importante pa rin na they feel that.
And for those kids naman, those queer kids na takot pa mag-come out, like,
Yeah, I mean, I get that question a bit then. And I always say na it's at your own time. Diba? And like, you don't feel forced to come out. Like, you don't have to. If you want to, you can. And I always advise them, kasi iba-iba nga, like, I have friends na they know they'll get kicked out. Like, nasabihan na sila. Kung tomboy ka, like, nasabihan na talaga nila. So, I always tell them, like, look, get a support system
Yes.
before your parents. Tell the people close to you. Kasi usually last talaga family eh.
So kahit
Tell
na
your
paano may
cousins,
kakapitan na sila
yeah,
in the
kasi
beginning.
support is so important. Sobrang important. Lalo na if your parents or yung family mo is
Medyo
they're,
sarado,
you really need a lot of support. And the first reaction is
Not the last.
That's always
yeah, ganda nun.
Actually,
The first reaction is
Gusto ko yan. Papatato ko yan. Ito, Tita Jackie, ito yung gusto ko malaman. Like with Ricky, di ba? Nagsabi siya ng advice for the parents. Ako naman, gusto ko yung point of view mo as a parent. Ano yung mabibigay mo rin sa mga kids? who
Sa
are
mga kids who
planning
are
to
coming out.
come out.
Oh. I think for them, probably to have a mindset na if I say something now, maybe mom or dad will not be okay with it. But to understand that when you tell them, like you said kanina, it's the beginning pa lang of their journey. So don't be too harsh. Siguro don't feel so bad because that is a natural reaction. Di ba? So, intindihin mo din na siguro mahirap para sa kanila or parang, di ba? Maybe it's so far from their head na ito yung sasabihin mo, di ba? So, also try to be supportive also to them.
the others. Other way na. Actually, share ko lang. In my college thesis, yung ginawa kong is I talk to different parents. Yeah. I talk, kasi usually you talk to the person, how's your coming out?
Yes.
I interview different parents. Kamusta yung coming out ng anak mo? How did it affect you? So parang yung nakita namin is na they really go through, actually yung study nga parang through the stages of grief. From denial, anger, hanggang,
Yes,
so parang when the
totoo
the
yan.
parents we talk to, ganun, parang nung una, hindi, until, yeah, so it's really a process. So, on both ends, kailangan nilang be ready for that. Trabaho siya eh.
It
Be ready to go through a process talaga.
Yes.
And sometimes the most uncomfortable conversations are the most important.
Yeah.
So ako yun talaga eh. And minsan, especially us as Filipinos, we don't like uncomfortable conversations.
Oo,
Di ba? We
correct.
hate it. But I think
We
doon
really have to
sa
go
uncomfortable
through
ones, ayun, doon lalabas yung growth eh.
Kailangan
Yeah.
talaga.
Kailangan talagang pagdaanan.
And hopefully acceptance.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah. I think everything's a journey.
Yes.
It is. It is.
With the
What are
respect,
your
with
proudest moments?
Ito.
Nanalo kayo ng...
Thank you.
Proudest moment.
That you can comfortably talk about this.
Yes,
and
actually, it's the small things.
Yeah.
It's really the small things. It's like, we're talking about it now. We talk about it in, if we, online and
Yeah,
other, ano,
yeah.
and that you answer the people who ask you for advice. Like, yun yung mga proud moments ko talaga.
I mean, ako, I can say siguro like with my mom, kasi in the beginning nga, medyo yung may mga ganon, or until after a while, meron siyang isang Christmas ata na binigyan si Ricky May ng, kasi she would give Ricky
Sobrang
May yung mga,
tomboy na t-shirt yung binigay ni Mamita sa akin.
finally she got it! Kasi una mga sequin na, ano, ito naman,
Mga make-up.
Oo, di ba?
Thank
Hindi
you,
siya kailangan yung words, pero gano'n.
Ano, one Christmas recently lang. As in, gano'n, no? Yung, alam mo yung gano'n na t-shirt?
Parang muscle
My
shirt.
hood.
Yeah!
Oh, sabi ko, oh my God, I'm seen! And then she gave me makeup.
Makeup,
Tapos sabi
pero,
niya,
oo.
Give it-
May,
give it to your girlfriend.
Oh, sabi ko, wow!
Oh my gosh.
no need for her to even say
Yeah.
like, uy, tanggap kita. Or,
Oo, wala.
it's no
No,
way.
Kailangan na yun. That's already, yun na yun.
I still wear that shirt. That's the only shirt I wear.
Ay, kasi the other hindi talaga pwede.
Sequin.
Oh, ay, never mind.
Oh my gosh, I can't imagine.
Di ba?
Like with it.
Oo, tsaka yung mga skirt.
Oh, thank you.
Yun na. Ganda na. I'm seen.
I'm seeing. Yeah, that was recent no, May.
Yeah.
That ano, yung
was
ganun,
nice.
parang crop na ano.
So if there's something like, very boy abunda.
Oh my God, this is in my head. This is very Tito Boy, but...
May salamin.
But then again,
If you were to say something to each other, what would that be? So start tayo with Ricky.
Ako?
To your mom.
Hello.
How are you?
how are you?
Wala. My mom, ano lang, thank you.
Huwag ko sa'yo.
Na ako, my mom is always a blessing. Parang I feel very blessed na you are my mother.
No, I'm very proud of you, and I want to thank you for always looking after Mama, for always making sure I'm okay. She really watches for me always, even sa siblings niya. Very, very proud of you. I love you. Sorry.
I was waiting for this moment.
Wala ako na-miss yung anak ko. Ayun.
Hey. Teka lang. Kaya pa, guys.
Kaya pa
Kaya
malaki.
pa, pag mommies. Ayun. Uy!
Huwag niyo ako simulan dyan sa mamis.
Utang na loob.
Okay.
Sige. Habang nag-iiyakan po sila, nais ko pasalamatan kayong dalawa. Sobrang
Thank you for
maraming
sharing the
salamat.
bed with us.
It's our pleasure.
This is the best foreplay ever.
I never knew I could say, guys, mag-foreplay ako.
With your mom. There's always the first time.
Ay, hindi sa my mom. Paano to?
Diba? It's the safest foreplay.
Yes!
Kamusta yung foreplay? Ay, nag-iyakan sila.
Yun na po yun.
Oh, grabe. But we've learned so much.
Thank you.
Grabe.
Thank you for being so generous.
Kami rin.
Thank you.
And talaga, you have such a beautiful relationship.
At dahil dyan, dahil sobrang na-appreciate namin kayo.
Ayun.
There's more?
Yes,
more.
Wow!
How can there be more than this?
How can there be more than
Inyo.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Sunday morning.
Yes, Sunday
Not a
morning.
face na. Oh, that's
That's not a face, ma. Yeah.
Not a face.
Thank you so much.
So we
Floral
have
play.
Candle,
love
may
it.
reed diffuser dyan, may room spray.
Yung Sunday morning, amoy pawis yan kasi yun usually amoy ko kapag Sunday morning.
Ayun.
Ayun tayo eh. Oh, this is so
Pwede ba i-mix a drink?
Thank you.
Thank you so
much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Salamat sa'yo.
Idol ko to eh.
Yeah.
Sobra.
Thank you for joining us in
Oh,
our...
thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
That ba parang chatter? That way, jazz hands. Alright.
Ah, okay.
Komportable ako, mukhang mahaba-haba to.
Tulog na tayo.
Naku, wag mo ako i-dare ng ganyan. Tototohanin ko yan.
Nag-enjoy ka?
Sobra. Kasi parang I've been through both sides eh. Parang there was a time na ako yung nag-come out. At ngayon bilang magulang, naiintindihan ko rin yung side ng parents. So, ang sarap lang na, you know, yung mga guests natin, si Tita Jackie, tsaka si Ricky May, talagang narinig ko yung mga, alam mo yun, parang sana narinig ko noon para mas nagkaroon ako ng understanding, and siguro if narinig ko yun noon, mas hindi tumagal yung parang misunderstanding namin nila mama, nila daddy, alam mo yun.
Ano yung pinaka-take away mo from that kanina?
Conversation
kanina.
The first reaction is not the last reaction.
Yeah.
And kasi 'di ba, minsan even with us, 'di ba? Minsan napapako ko dun sa unang reaction parate. And imagine ilang pamilya ang hanggang ngayon pwedeng hindi pa rin sila nag-uusap, ilang pamilya yung hindi maka-move on because napako sila sa unang reaction. Na 'di ba, if meron kagad tayong ganun sa utak natin na the first reaction is not always the last one. They probably trying harder to, you know, to communicate.
And maybe if they equate that whole concept of the first reaction is not the last reaction because it is a process. Na, syempre, yung emotion mo, ito yung magdidictate ng first reaction mo. Pero pag na-process mo na, logic comes in, and then you see the experience of this person na nanghihingi ng understanding from you. And yung proseso mo as a parent or kung sino mang pinagsasabihan nitong very important milestone, ikaw din may kita mo na, okay, nag-e-evolve yung reaction. You know, nag-e-evolve yung perception ng tao about the concept of what they know. And with the first reaction is not always the last reaction. Para siyang equate mo rin siya sa fear. So the first reaction is always attached to your fear. Di ba? Pag halimbawa, sa nanood ka ng horror movie, di ba?
Paano? Bakit yung tunog ng hamo? Pag nanood ka ng horror movie, tsaka pag nagmamoan ka pareho.
Hoy! Akala ko ba naman parang ka-sound ko yung ghost, tapos wait mo sa moon, mamaya pa yun.
Hi, mama. Hindi siya po.
Hindi, so yun nga, di ba? Parang equate mo siya sa fear na parang nakita mo, natakot ka, nag-react ka. But, pakita mo ulit yung same, di ka na ganun natatakot. Kasi alam mo na eh. Alam ko na kung paano ko i-approach to. Alam ko na kung paano siya i-receive. So, yun. Pag nawala
Ang
yung
ganda ng
fear...
analogy na yun, yung horror film.
Ha?
Ang ganda ng analogy na yun. Kasi totoo, di ba? Kapag di natin alam yung mangyayari, lagi tayong nakatakip ang mga mata natin.
Oo.
Pero pag kahit pa paano alam mo na, mas mayabang ka na panoorin yung pelikula.
Tsaka, yun nga, parang mas so, siguro ang ako naman sarili kong takeaway doon is it's normal for us to experience fear and for us to react because
Pa! Ay, wala.
hindi ka kaya nakakatakot.
Eh.
Gusto mo naman. Nawala na tuloy yung train of thought ko. Ano sinasabi ko?
Deng, takeaway mo.
Na yun nga, na parang if we acknowledge that it's normal for us to feel those fears, magkakaroon tayo ng mas understanding na, hindi lang nila alam, di ba? They fear what they don't know. Yun naman yung nakuha ko kay Ricky May. And ang goal natin, hindi lang yung mag-come out tayo, hindi lang yung, eto ako, but to also give space and hold space to accommodate the reactions ng mga taong pinagsasabihan natin.
Tsaka yun, tama ka na parang, yun nga, isa sa mga bagay na talagang hirap tayo. I think it's safe to say that most Filipinos are like that. Yung talagang we don't wanna confront our
Yeah.
our feelings. Parang lagi nating pinagpapaliban pero yun nga the most important things in relationships are some things na it may be uncomfortable, but you really have to talk about it.
Yeah.
Na, kasi wala magiging resolution kumbaga you have to, kung mas importante ang tao sa'yo, mas extra effort ka dapat. 'Di ba? Na kausapin at pag-usapan yung mga issues na meron kayo.
And it's not just exclusive to complex discussions like this na related sa LGBT or related sa pagka-come out. Kahit mga ibang issues din, di ba? Pag meron tayong bagay na kinakatampo sa isang tao or beliefs na hindi tayo nag-a-align or hindi tayo nagtutugma, minsan natatakot na tayong kausapin yung tao na yun na, hindi, ganito ako, dapat tanggapin niya ako. Pero, there's also this fear kasi of rejection. Natakot ka na, what you might hear is something that hindi mo pa ready mapakinggan. Kaya ayaw mo i-confront yun. But, yun nga, kung mahal mo tong taong to, kung alam mo na in the end, ang goal mo is maintindihan at mas maipakita pa sa taong to kung gaano mo sila kamahal, then, yung willingness mo to confront that fear should mas mag-prevail siya kaysa yung hinaalaw mo na yung fear bumalot sa'yo at hindi mo na makita yung pwedeng maging resulta in the end. So, most relationships fail also because of that.
Yeah. Oo,
Diba?
maraming ganun. Actually, I think marami talagang relasyon na hindi nagtatagal kahit sa simula. So, kasi 'di ba sa simula
Walk away ka na lang.
walk away ka na lang. And I think mas tumatagal ang relasyon, mas hindi rin madali. 'Di ba? Akala nila ganun kadali, pero hindi. Tayo, we're on our 12th year na of being together, but there are still conversations or there's still issues that, especially me, parang since hindi nga ako masyadong ma-open up kagaya mo, hindi rin ganun kadaling ibukas. Alam mo yun. Pero,
But what triggered for you to like start being more open? Because right now, you're sobrang laki ng growth. Sobrang laki ng pag-evolve mo na. Before, talagang, you don't even know how to say what you feel, but now, you can actually really express.
kasi alam ko tayo Alam mo yun, like, alam ko tayo na kapag happy tayo or kapag super in sync tayo, iba yung joy na nararamdaman ko. And kapag may issue tayo, syempre ramdam mo rin na may off. And hindi ko na-enjoy yung feeling na yun So siguro like with us, ikaw, you may be big on your initial reaction, but the trust is there that once you've expressed na yung initial reaction mo na, guys, super big initial reaction. Yung tiwala lang na, okay, uupo tayo at pag-uusapan natin.
We will get there. Lalo pa, dahil ako, I'm napaka highly sensitive person ko. Tsaka emotional akong tao. So parang, ako yung tipong, baliktad naman. Pag nalabas ko na siya, okay na ako. Parang, ito nga, kailangan pang i-remind na, uy, ito yung ginawa sa'yo ng taong yan, matuto ka naman. Kasi nga, ako nalabas ko na okay na ako.
Ba't pag yung gawa na ibang tao sa'yo, hindi mo natatandaan? Ba't pag ako yung gumawa, tandang-tanda mo?
Grabe.
Na gusto ko lang malaman. I think dapat mo pag-usapan. Or
Talaga?
For another episode.
Parang for another episode yun. So, guys, abangan nyo na lang sa next episode yung the things that,
Di ba? Pero gusto ko
that you
lang...
don't get to actually accept about your partner pero sa ibang tao nagagawa mo.
Di ba? Di ba? I'm saying.
Hindi naman accept. It's more like I really feel... So, pinag-uusapan na natin talaga siya dito. Anyway, yun. But that episode, kanina, it made me miss Amara so much. Kasi, kitang-kita ko talaga kay Jackie yung love niya for Ricky May. Yung, you see her eyes, yung parang, kahit paano sabi mo halaman ka, sabi mo kung anong klaseng hayop ka, tatanggapin kita. Yung iba, yung pagbubukas niya, ng puso niya, ng kaluluwa niya, ng understanding niya. Even if, alam mo talagang ang dami pa niyang hindi naiintindihan.
And I think yun naman yun because, hello, sa sobrang dami ng bagay sa mundo, you're expected to not understand everything. But not understanding everything doesn't mean you can't love.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes, yes.
Because at the end of the day, sorry, pero kung anak mo yun eh.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
Alam mo yun.
Yeah. And iba yung feeling na you're accepting and you're not just tolerating.
And iba
Diba?
rin sa pakiramdam ng anak yun. Like ako talaga, ang laking superpower nun sa akin. When I felt that my mom, my dad, my brother, natanggap nila kung sino ka ng buong buo at natanggap ka ng buong buo, natanggap si Amara ng buong buo. Yung parang kami armor. Ganun yung pakiramdam niya eh. Parang kami armor na kahit anong sabihin nyo, wala akong pake. Kasi yung mga taong pinaka-importante sa akin, tanggap ako at mahal ako.
Mm-mm.
So, alam mo yun yung sana maintindihan din ng parents na, I mean, of course, syempre, andun yung mga magulang sa, ano sabihin ng mga tao sa'yo? Parang ako gusto kong sabihin sa mga parents na, kapag tinanggap nyo kami at minahal nyo kami ng buong buo, wala kami pakialam sa sasabihin nila.
Yes.
Kasi yung palang pagtanggap nyo, bumubuo na yun sa amin.
Yes. 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 And acceptance, it's not just tolerance.
Yeah.
Na even if they don't understand, they stay, they show up, and they're very present.
And I think, like yun, kanina, ang ganda ng mga nangyayari kanina na, yun nga, because there are things that you don't understand, it's okay to talk about it. It's okay to ask. Diba? Na, I think us kids would be willing to, let you in. Kasi, diba, wala namang, I think there's no other way na gusto namin na parang, gusto namin kasama kayo sa buhay namin eh. Diba? Parang gusto namin nandun kayo every step of the way na nakikita namin kayo sa mga, especially the big milestones sa buhay namin.
Yeah. Yeah. Ako, I remember, ito lang, recently, I just had a conversation with Amara. And, so, of course, she lives in the US na, and nahihirapan siya hindi niya alam kung she belongs there. And I feel like she's doing all of these things para lang ma-accept siya, para lang mag-belong siya doon. And ako, as a mom, I actually tell her na, people can actually just love you just by being you. You don't need to be anyone else. You just need to exist. Especially ako, as your mom. Just be Amara. Just breathe. And I will love you because yun eh. That's for me.
But are you telling that to
Is
yourself?
love. Huh?
Are you telling that to yourself?
No.
You just have to be you. You don't have to do all these things that, that's for another episode. Okay.
I'm finding that.
Ang dami nating episodes agad, ah.
Nating issues. Tulog na nga tayo.
Ang dami nating episodes na nabubuo sa episode na to.
Yeah. But, ang pinaka-importante, yun, I have all of those. That's a question kasi that Amara asked the other day. The one time we were together, like, sabi niya, are you happy with yourself? Sabi niya, mahal mo ba yung sarili mo just because it's you? Hindi dahil sa lahat ng accomplishments mo, hindi dahil ikaw yung Liza na producer, ikaw yung Liza na ganito. Ikaw lang, Liza, wala kang kailangan gawin sa ibang tao. Sobrang napatigal-gal talaga ako doon. Dahil I've always associated my worth
Ako, honestly,
with
daig
my
kita.
accomplishments.
Daig kita. Kasi ako mahal kita kahit ano pa man.
I know. Ayun.
And again, that's for another episode.
So, but at the end of it all, I think the reason why we are feeling safe and we feel that we are loved, we are secured, is because we've found a home sa isa't isa. And Amara,
Stop it! Stop it!
you're my home. Okay. Ayun. So,
Wala pa episode na walang iyakan. Lagi na lang.
So, para sa mga parents dyan na nasa proseso pa rin ng pagtanggap sa kanilang mga anak, I hope that you find the courage to embrace and love your kids despite the fears that you feel. And for the kids out there, and for those na hindi pa kayang makapag-come out sa mga magulang nila or you can't still allow to let them in, don't lose hope. Kasi sabi nga nila, there's always a way back home.
Yep. Pwede kayo mag-grab pauwi. But,
Talagang ang dami natin mga winamanifest ng mga sponsors. Baka magalit si Angkas.
well, kung sino pong unang makausap ako. But I really want to thank all of you for tuning in tonight because kagaya nga ng sinabi namin kanina, this is such an important topic to talk about.
Yeah.
So sana ay may natutunan tayong lahat. Hindi lang dahil para sa ikagaganda ng buhay ng bawat isa, pero sa ikagaganda mismo ng pamilya. So thank you for tuning in tonight, Talk Sheeters.
Guys, like, follow, and subscribe to our
Channel.
our YouTube channel.
Oh, you're so chon.
Also, mag-listen din kayo sa aming podcast.
Podcast.
Para kung gusto niyo lang na,
Wala lang, sila makinig.
Wala lang. And don't forget to leave a comment kung meron kayong mga topics that you want us to unpack sa next na episodes pa ng Talk Sheeters.
Pag gusto mo ito sa show na ito, pwedeng humikap. So, okay lang. Kasi it's part of it.
But this has been Talk Sheets with Ice and Lisa, where you strip down and bear it all
Yes.
under the covers.
So, pwede ba mag-bear talaga?
Baka sa next episode.
Ang daming episodes. I love it. So, guys, good night.
Night,
And don't forget
everyone.
that the best conversations happen under the sheets. Don't hold back.
Just Talk Sheets.